Section 1. Introduction. Decoding the world of data professionals. What is a data analyst? A data analyst is like a detective for business information. They look at data that already exists. They find trends, patterns, and answers within it. Their main goal is to answer specific business questions. For example, a data analyst might be asked to figure out why sales went down last month. They would collect the sales data, clean it to make sure it is accurate, then create reports and charts to show their findings. They use tools like Excel and SQL every day and build dashboards using software like Power BI or Tableau to help others see the data clearly. A data scientist, on the other hand, is more like an inventor or a fortune teller. They create complex models that can predict what might happen in the future. They use advanced math, statistics, and heavy coding to find deep patterns that are not obvious. For example, they might predict which customers are likely to stop using a service so the company can act before those customers leave. They use Python or R and machine learning frameworks and AI to build predictive engines. Section 2. The Learning Pathway. Courses and Essential Skills. To start a career in data, you must build a strong foundation. You do not need to learn everything all at once. The first step is to take a basic course. Focus on learning these topics first: basic mathematics, algebra, and simple statistics. These concepts are the bedrock of all data work. Then, you need to master Excel, formulas, create charts, and build pivot tables. After Excel, learn SQL to talk to databases and pull what you need. Finally, learn basics of a programming language, Python or R. There are many great online learning sites like Coursera, edX, and Udemy. Once you have the basics, move to more advanced topics. Build specialized skills in data cleaning and data wrangling. Next, focus on data visualization to tell a clear story. Then learn fundamentals of machine learning, regression, classification, and how to evaluate models correctly. Building strong skills is as important as taking courses. Certain skills are essential for both roles: cleaning, analysis, communication, problem solving, common tools, Excel for quick analysis, SQL for databases, Python with pandas and scikit-learn, R, Tableau, Power BI. Learn Git for version control to track your changes. As you advance, explore cloud tools like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Section 3. The job itself. Roles, responsibilities, and key differences. Data analyst versus data scientist. Side-by-side comparison. A data analyst focuses on understanding the past and present. They create reports, build charts, and maintain dashboards. These tools help leaders track performance and make informed decisions. An analyst's day, pulling data for monthly reports, tracking KPIs, and cleaning new data as it comes in. They answer, what were our top-selling products last quarter? Which marketing channel brought the most new customers? Typical tools: Excel, SQL, and BI platforms like Tableau or Power BI. A data scientist focuses on predicting the future and uncovering hidden opportunities. They build mathematical models, design experiments, and deploy predictive systems. They might forecast customer demand for the next 6 months or test algorithms to improve a recommendation engine. Tasks are more open-ended and research-oriented. They solve: who is at risk of churning? Can we detect fraud in real time? They primarily use Python or R and advanced ML libraries. Analyst explains what happened and why. Scientist predicts what will happen and how to make it happen. Scientists need deeper statistics, math, and CS. Roles are typically more senior, often requiring experience or advanced degrees. Data analysts and data scientists are in high demand across nearly every industry. The need to make data-driven decisions is universal. Tech companies and startups use data to build better products and understand their users. Banks and financial institutions detect fraud, manage risk, and predict market trends. Healthcare and research centers track outcomes and improve treatments. Retail and e-commerce manage inventory, personalize marketing, and analyze customer behavior. Manufacturing and supply chain optimize operations and improve efficiency. Public sector agencies improve services and inform policy decisions. Media and entertainment decide what to produce and recommend content. You can choose a field you are passionate about: sports, music, environmental science, and more. Uses change, but core analysis and problem-solving skills remain the same. Salary is important, and it varies by location, experience, and company size. Entry-level data analyst, around $35,000 per year. Mid-level analyst, $50,000 to $70,000. Senior analyst, $70,000 up to $100,000 or more. Data scientists typically earn more due to advanced skills. Mid-level data scientist, $70,000 to $120,000. Senior data scientist, $120,000 to over $200,000. In hubs like San Francisco or New York, or at top tech companies, compensation can be higher. The working hours for data professionals are generally standard. Most data analysts work a typical 40-hour week. Most data scientists do as well. Larger companies often follow a 9-to-5 schedule. Startups may offer more flexibility, set your own hours, meet key deadlines. Remote and hybrid models are common and can improve work-life balance. Busy periods happen. Tight project deadlines can mean extra hours. A scientist might monitor a first-time model deployment. Intense sprints are usually followed by calmer periods. Sample days help clarify the roles. 9 a.m. analyst, check emails and key dashboards. 9:30 a.m., clean a new dataset from the sales team. 11 a.m., meet with marketing to discuss performance. Afternoon, update dashboards, create new charts, and prepare a weekly summary. 4:30 p.m., share insights and next steps with manager. 9 a.m., scientist, review overnight model results. 10 a.m., write code to run a new experiment. 1 p.m., meet product to discuss app integration. 2 p.m., test a new algorithm on a small dataset. 4:30 p.m., document findings and plan tomorrow. Getting your first job requires a clear, strategic plan. Learn fundamentals with hands-on labs. Practice actively, not just watch. Build projects and showcase them in a portfolio on GitHub and a simple website. Your first job in data is just the beginning of a long and rewarding journey. The field is constantly evolving. There are always new things to learn and new opportunities for growth. A common path: start as a junior data analyst. Learn the business inside and out. Master the company's data sources, SQL and BI platforms. Advance to senior analyst. Tackle complex problems and mentor others. Interested in modeling? Transition to data scientist by strengthening programming, statistics, and machine learning. Over time, specialize further: ML engineer, data engineer, or move into leadership. Commit to continuous learning. Tools and techniques change quickly. Learn new algorithms, software, and math. Join communities, share knowledge, write, contribute, and present. Teaching others deepens your understanding and builds your reputation. It is easy to feel overwhelmed and mistakes are common. Do not skip data cleaning. Clean data is the foundation of good analysis. Do not just show complex code. Explain what it does and why it matters. Storytelling counts. Be patient with yourself. Practice a little every day. Small, consistent steps. You have all the information you need. You can start now. Good luck on your data journey.